Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to set camera properties and views. Let's try it together. Enter Interior Design. Select Render from the left toolbar. Part 1. Set camera properties. Function 1. Adjust the camera height after entering the render page. In the Camera Properties panel on the right, you can enter the height value or move the camera height up and down. The camera height is best between 1100 and 1300. Function 2. Adjust the camera FOV. You can adjust the rendered view range by dragging FOV bar. Notes: 60 to 80 degrees of FOV rendering is best in global space. Function 3. Set the camera clipping. You can adjust the rendered view range by dragging the clipping value bar. Part 2. Save/select camera views. Function 1. Save angle. You can adjust to the appropriate camera views. Click Save Angle. After saving multiple views, you can quickly switch perspectives and render. Function 2. Smart Views. You can click Smart Views and the system will automatically recommend different spatial views. Then click the desired view to use it. Function 3. Top View Settings. You can switch to Top View to set view and as. For precise overhead orientation, commonly used for floor plan displays. That's all. Thanks for watching.